Hey Smeg, you're on Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I came across your product listing, the 50s retro style electric water kettle, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 4.3 star rating and your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how competitive this category is, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative for my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. And looking at your distribution here, I can see you're running ads for 435 and organically indexing for 1100. And this is good because you're utilizing both your SEO and PPC to boost traffic and conversions. However, you can still improve this. There's still hundreds or even thousands of additional keywords that you can index and bid for. You can check out this word cloud right here, as these are the most important keywords for your listing. Also, to maximize your reach, we typically recommend a golden ratio of 1 to 2. That is, for every 2 organics, we aim to have 1 paid keyword for better traffic and conversion. Now, down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So, right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities. And as you can see, you're already doing a great job ranking organically for most of the keywords right here, because that means you're targeting the right terms that shoppers actually search for. And good job also ranking in single digits for your brand names here, SMEG, and single digits for both sponsored and organic, as well as SMEG Kettle in single digits organically. However, if you take a look at um, electric kettle with 182,000 searches in the past 30 days, as well as tea kettle with 105,000, you're still ranking in triple digits there. There's tea kettle electric, 33,000 searches at 87. So these numbers here suggest that your product is still very deep in the search results. So people still have to go through dozens or even hundreds of listings before they find you. Now, we can help you push these rankings up, ideally into single digits like these, because that's where most buyers click and sales happen. And here's how big your category is on Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase electric kettle alone, there is more than $11 million in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are getting 183 grand on average. And I see here that there's still plenty of market share that you can tap into. And for this ASIN, you're able to sell 1,000 units, generating 240 grand, which is actually above the category average. But you also have to take note of the price difference there. The average price here is 42. Now, we can help you continuously grow your market share by tightening your SEO and defending your rankings with smarter PPC. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitors here. This is from the brand Cuisine Art. Not to compare products at all. I know there is a huge difference when it comes to their price, the design. It may not be as retro as Smeg, which I think was really cute, but being in the same category, I just wanted to show you how they strategize on their keywords and see how we can benefit from them. So this brand was able to sell 2,500 units. That is compared to your 1,054. Now, looking at their keyword strategy here, you can see that they're actually not running ads, and that is versus your 400. Yes, but you see that they're actually organically indexing for more keywords there, 2700 versus 1100, and that means more chances for them of ranking for key search terms. Now, on top of that, they actually have a lot of keywords in the top 10, so they've got 288 keywords there, whereas you guys have, let's take a look, that's 1 through 10, 70. So that's 70 versus 288, and this is why their sales are higher. Now we can help you find the same kind of opportunities here by looking at your strike zone keywords. So these are keywords in rank 20 through 50, and you actually have 172 keywords sitting there that don't move the needle much because they're at the bottom of page one. Now, what we want is to move them up to the top 10 rankings where the clicks and sales are by optimizing your listing and supporting them with targeted ads. And speaking of ads, we can help you with advertising here, making sure we are targeting relevant keywords and not overspending while improving your organic ranking over time. Now, moving on to your product detail page. So, the title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing, and you can still maximize this. The title can have 200 characters, and each bullet can have 250 to 500. And don't forget to update these regularly, as SEO is not set and forget. Now, your image stack has 6 images, so you've got your main image with a white background and different angle shots, feature a lifestyle image and infographics, but you're still missing your demographic image showing us your customer avatar ideally smiling at the camera, as they're proven to boost conversions on Amazon. But you got your videos here, so that's good because they help with your listing's credibility. Now, your A plus content could be the deciding factor that makes buyers choose your product, and you've got your brand story there with your keyword rich copy and clickable links to increase your average order value. Good job utilizing large images with crawlable text. There's text behind the images too, and these can be up to 100 characters per image. And you can even include misspellings and Spanish terms. So, yeah, those are just a few things we can do for your brand. If you want to know more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.